Hello, my name is Gerardo Andrade, and in this video, we are going to review the first steps required to configure Automation Studio with a Kinetic instance. When you purchase an Automation Studio license, the Epicor team will send you an email with the credentials you need to access the Epicor Integration portal using the following link. Once it loads, we will select Identity Provider as the authentication method. Next, we will click the Login button and enter the email address and password provided by the Epicor team. Once we have entered our credentials, we will arrive at the integration page. Here we will see a list of the environments available to us. Epicor generally provides two environments with your license, production and test. We are going to configure the test environment. We click the Switch to Environment option. We have several tabs that allow us to manage this environment. The first thing we need to do is add a new instance. We will click the Instance tab. As we can see, there are currently no registered instances. Now we will click the Register Instance button. We will select our product, which in this case is Kinetic. Then we will click Next, and the following screen will appear. The next step is very important. We need to maximize the window because leaving it minimized will result in an error. Next, under Server, we will enter the server for our Kinetic environment, and then click the Continue button. Now, we will select a login method. This is used to authenticate with a Kinetic user that has administrator permissions. In my case, I will select Epicor Basic, enter the credentials for my Kinetic user, and click Login. Next, we will assign a name to this instance. I will call it Kinetic Pilot. Then I click Register. With these steps, your instance is now registered in Automation Studio. You can now use this instance to create your connections as shown in the previous videos covering Automation Studio. With this, we now have access to our Automation Studio environment. Thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time.